In this tutorial, we fix that potentially dangerous write error, and that's a serious error. You should it's really protecting you from something called SQL injection, and again, you can refer to one of the earlier tutorials to read the details about that. But as long as I have this web page in a protected area, I'm okay to turn this error off. And to do this, there's only two things we need to do. One is to add a section up here in the first line of our ASPX file. And the thing we put in here, let's see, I've got a link out here just so you can get back to this. But it's actually for the Ajax controls and for the editor. And there's this fixing the potentially dangerous write error. We'll follow this link. And then we'll go to this page that shows us what to do. And so this guy's page explains this a little bit. But what we need to do is put this validate request equals false up in our page directive, that first line of our file. So I'll come back here and paste it in up here. And then the next thing we need to do, this says to ignore it on this page. And if you have an older version of ASP, this would work just with this. But we also need to put a line in our web config if we have ASP4 or newer. And this goes in our system.web section. And we put this HTTP runtime section inside here. So put this in the web config. We'll save everything, and then we'll go back to edit product and run this. So now we can select something and we can change this. I'll just make it all uppercase so we can see. And then so once I say update, the error goes away and it actually is written to the database. So again, the fix for this is two things. We add the validate request equals false up here in the page directive, and we add the HTTP runtime section to our web.config.